Heroin Webcam is the best app that lets you use your phone as a webcam for your PC. It connects wirelessly over Wi-Fi or USB. First, download and install the app on both your PC and mobile device. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now launch the app on your phone and PC. Then they will automatically connect because they are on the same network. You will also see your phone model's name displayed in the Heroin PC client. The best part is you can adjust the resolution up to 4K for free. Also, there's a watermark, but it disappears automatically. Sometimes it appears, so you can remove it by paying. If you do like a tutorial on how to connect via USB, let me know in the comments. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.